One day I looked in the mirror. How I look. This shirt is really bad. Well, I have a tip for you. Lower the shoulders and tuck it in. Take off this dress, and you get a dress. Seal the bag inside. So cute, isn't it? It looks fresh and neat. The guys will love it. You will have an active day. I'll make one more. Hold the skirt up like this. Hold the whole skirt up and put your arm through the pocket like this. Reorganize for me. Looks like a lady, doesn't it? My boyfriend is here. I have to go. You see a beautiful girl and want to come sit next to her. You revise your neat clothes and come close to her and pretend you're a real man. You put your feet up and she smells the smell of your feet. You realize that and she runs to the toilet. Don't worry. We have a way for you. Take a tube of toothpaste. Toothpaste will help you get rid of foot odor. Take some out of your hand and rub it all over your feet. Of course, rub gently, pressing and pressing to penetrate into the pores, eliminating the smell of sweat in it. Especially between the toes, you have to run your fingers through. That's where the most foul smells come from. Or you can also take a lemon in half and rub it on your leg. The compound in lemon can eliminate odors very well. You should try it. After that, take a little bit of baby powder used to create airiness in the pores and sprinkle it evenly on your feet. I just bought a new shirt but the zipper is on the back. Can't reach to pull it up. I have a way for you. First, thread the thread long enough into this hook. See, it's easy, isn't it? Do the same with other shirts. Oh my goodness, my zip of pants is hard to pull up. Oh my goodness, my zip of pants is hard to pull up. It is so annoying. I have to think of a way. Well, there's a way. We're going to use this bad stuff. Take some out, then apply the zippers. Remember to apply it on both sides too. Zip up easily.